Nope.
Move over, tractors. It's time for the paw-powered plow. Let's cast him in the live-action remake. He already knows all the songs. Oh, I think I just found the meaning of life. And it smells like socks.
Huh?
When Human throws a party and you're uninvited.
She's so brave, she's well behaved, she is not afraid.
When you're waiting for your favorite part of the day.
I never go to bed without blank.
My golden retriever.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's really nice.
I mean, I could do worse.
Explaining to my friend that wrestling is fun. No doubt he'll be traumatized for life. Secret to a successful supermarket? Hire a cute golden dog. If they have an event for chasing squirrels, these boys will qualify at once.
I feel like I shouldn't have to come back from a toilet break and find you sleeping on my paperwork. Really? Really?
Guess who is winning this argument? Hint, size doesn't matter. Keep moving, girl. They said love can move mountains or wet dogs. Is it a tree? A bush? Oh, it's my human. Zoom mode activated. How about the doggy door, man? Gosh, this is the most exciting traffic jam ever. Spicy talk. Who needs friends when you have statue buddies? Quiet, but always there.
That's it.
Your dog says to his toy, "You can't eat them all. Let me give you a bite."
She's powerful, she's a good girl.
Ta-da! This is Batman caught on scene.
Freddy, here. Here.
Look at this teamwork. No job is too big for this awesome duo, right?
Get it.
Good job!
How to turn a dog bed into a fun zone? Ask him.
Sometimes I think, and then I forget.
The cat is like, someone call NASA. We've got to get a rocket on the loose.
Hey. What you doing?
I'm busy.
How busy would you say you are?
Human? Perhaps a few pettings are overdue? The face of, I don't want the second string human, I want my MVP. How puppy helps with the chores.
You just wake up from your nap? Yo! You woke up and oh my goodness, Walter!
Are these boys turning the backyard into a symphony hall with my leg?
Hey Rory, some lady on the internet says you're cold. You should probably come inside. You're not made for this cold weather.
He's ready for the next space mission. Let's blast off to a new adventure. Before you enter this kingdom, young one, bow like this. Royalty doesn't do casual. Behold, the champion of weekend relaxation. Don't disturb, because essential snuggles are in progress. What a wonderful day today! Oh, I said it too soon. Guess who is the new Cat Trees manager?
Let's see it.
This fan is a little loud, isn't it? Switch it off. Ready, set, go! F1 Championship, here I come. Is it a dog? Is it a towel? It's the ultimate mystery. You all. Who needs a dance floor when you have a vacuum? This is the jam. Let's all aspire to this level of confidence.
Is that your best friend? Is that your best friend? Bye.
Well, his spiritual animal is definitely a pretzel. Look at that flexibility.
Oh gosh, look at how he is.
Bean, what are you doing?
Your heart is tough? Wait until you see this. Not a real bone, but he's not gonna give it all. Me trying to sleep and my dog at 2 a.m. It's so creepy, bro.
That's so dearness.
Beshi found a whole new ecosystem at the bottom of the water bowl.
Keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming, swimming, swimming.
Look where he is. Hi, Echo. Are you being good? Are you being sneaky?
This living room needs a touch of green, don't you think?
Pick Ellison, pick, not Paula than Ellison. Not Paula.
What is this? Riblet? Where's my succulent?
When having a dog that understands the power of puppy dog eyes. You know it's a golden retriever when the line is longer than the one in the coffee shop. %, boring. Like, subscribe, and stay golden. See ya! Who needs wings when you have ears like these? Oh dear, Dumbo.
What did you do?
This pup seems so innocent, but the holes tell a different story.
What did you do? Hey?
Come on, friend, join the fun. You know you want to. Found a delicious new chew toy, but Booman doesn't seem impressed.
He's cooling it down.
Me trying to adult like. With his cuteness, he can surely conquer 7 seas.
What are you doing? Are you taking the pics of me because I'm so cute?
Life is too short to waste time worrying about culinary diversity, right?
You think you're the coolest guy in the parking lot, and then this guy shows up.
Just a casual walk that turned into an unexpected adventure. No crime intended, officer.
No, take.
Doggo be like, the park won't wait forever, Hoover. Gotta seize the day. OMG, this must be the best Christmas decor ever. I've added it to the cart. Well, this doggo's got the social skills of a seasoned politician. Santa's job is giving gifts, not taking fur samples, doggo.
Domino. Let's go. Leave the people on the roof alone.
All for snack. Who knew dogs were such skilled negotiators?
Hey, toma. Dadai.
Let's wrap up the laughter with these silly canines. Like, share, and subscribe for a daily dose of doggy goofiness. Keep the smiles coming, more silliness away. Sign of a dog who's not taking no for an answer. One's holding a poker face, and the other's got the wiggle moves. Who's in charge?
I wonder which one did it. I wonder which one tore it up.
No matter how big they get, they still are a puppy at heart. Dear Diary, the scenery at the park today is very beef smelling. Ball, I'm giving you one more chance, and by chance, I mean come here. This is how we make any family gathering more fun, guys. Take notes. Golden rule. If the pup's on the table, the food better be too. Who needs the gym when you've got a built-in resistant band? Gains inbound.
Maggie, you're so sweet. Oh.
Somebody's jealous.
Hi, Maggie, you're so sweet. It's so...
I guess it took him 3 business days to convince the dog to come home. Looks like he's got a never-ending snack. Want to join the fun? I think my puppy might start learning college tomorrow.
Tiki 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 ta ta ta. Tiki 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 ta ta ta.
This is us struggling with our messy hair every morning.